Alright, you know I'm building a table, but now I want to curve the legs, so I'm making a separate video now. I'm making a jig so I can curve the legs. So here we are. Found a 2x6. You can see here, it's curved. Cut that off. Take my jigsaw or bandsaw and cut that out. Let's get at her. I don't have a bandsaw, so this is out. Okay, got them all cut up into about 8. Just soak them in some water. Bend them up. So I put them in this tube of water. Just let them soak for half an hour or so. And soaking these for a bit. Okay, let's see what happens here. Hey, welcome back. Remember our legs we were doing? I trimmed them up and I'll show you how I did it. I clamped the square here. It's a wheat steel square. Cut it the length I wanted. Here. I wanted the most curve, so I just cut the shortest one here. You can cut this to length any time. So this should end up being, it's going to look like. It should end up being 29 3/4. Yes, because I want my table to be 30. So that's how we're going to do it. This is how I want it to be underneath the table. This will be the foot and the top. And then these will all be dadoed into the middle. The table will sit on this. See how this is in shorter so your feet don't hit it? That's my theory anyway. Okay, we'll carry on. Alright, there's the bottom all together. To trim it off. See it all fits in there nicely. I'm going to do the top the same way. Alright, there it is, together. Just have to glue it. It's going to look okay. Alright, I don't know if you can see that, but that's how it is. I haven't glued it, but it's all clamped together. Okay, we're going to glue it. Alright, if you liked my project for today, hit the subscribe button, hit a like, leave a comment, that'll help others. Another video will have the other leg done and when we put the table together. Thanks for watching.
Later.